Hi everyone, this is my first upload for this year 2024. Hope you all had a rocking new year. Today I have made easiest chicken pulao recipe. Anyone can make, it's very easy and it tastes super delicious. With this chicken pulao, I will make coconut raita which goes very well with this. I have taken 3 cup of basmati rice, that is 1 cup measure 250 ml. Wash the rice, then soak it in a water for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain the rice and keep it aside. For 3 cup of rice, I have taken 1.3 kg of chicken without skin. This is a one pot recipe. Here in cooker, I am adding oil. And I have taken 4 bay leaves. If it is big, you can take 2 bay leaves and 1 teaspoon of shahjeera, 4 cardamom pods, 1 inch of cinnamon stick and 6 cloves. Add all this into a oil and along with this add 3 medium size onion chopped long and thin. Add salt and saute it till the onion become light golden color. This is the important step because this will enhance the flavor. Once the onion turn into a light golden color, then add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of Garam Masala powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste. Here I have added 3 to 4 medium sized tomato. Cover it and cook it till the tomato becomes soft. In between, give it a stir. Check the tomatoes, it's soft and masala has been cooked well. Now it's time to add 1.3 kg of chicken. Cook this chicken in a high flame till 80% done. Don't cover the lid while cooking the chicken, otherwise the juice will ooze out from the chicken. Always keep the chicken in a strainer and remove the excess water from the chicken, then add. Water in a chicken sometimes mess up the measurement and the rice will overcook. For 1 cup of basmati rice, you have to add 3/4 cup of water. So I am adding 3 times 3/4 cup of water. That is totally 2 plus 1/4 cup of water. Add the basmati rice. Then add 3/4 cup of curd. That is for 1 cup of basmati rice, you have to add 1/4 cup of curd. Now gently mix it. Be careful, don't break the rice. Then add 3 green chilli, handful of coriander leaves chopped and few mint leaves, that is pudina leaves chopped, and mix it. Be careful while mixing. At the end, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and close the lid and cook it till 2 whistles in high flame. After 2 whistles, keep it aside for 30 minutes till the pressure is released. After 30 minutes, open the lid. Now check. Hot chicken pulao is ready. Check the rice has bloomed like a flower. It looks so divine and perfect. Try this recipe, definitely you will make it again. When you're cooking a rice item in a cooker, always be careful to take a perfect water measurement for the rice you're cooking, and flame is also important. Cook it accordingly, whether it's 2 or 3 whistles. For basmati, I use 3/4 cup of water, but some basmati requires more water, so better always use the same brand of rice. And to make coconut raita for this chicken pulao, here I have already cut the onion, green chilli, coriander leaves. In that I am adding curd and coconut. Here the curd should be more than the coconut. Then add little salt and add little water and mix it. And easy peasy coconut raita is ready. Hope you like the recipes I've shared. May this year brings you joy, success, prosperity and peace to all. Stay blessed and stay connected.